What's up, people? It's Ryan. I'm back, and today's video is just a normal, random, boring vlog. I don't know what to do, but yeah, if you guys haven't checked out my actor series, go check it out. I want to be an actor. If you want to support the channel, hit that like and subscribe button to make me successful. And one question: what type of movie do I want to be in one day as an actor? Well, I can be in thriller, sci-fi movies, and I don't know if I can do horror, but uh, like guys, I'm inspired by that one TV show, Stranger Things, and I'm planning to grow out my hair or planning to get a mullet. I'm working on it. Yeah, but I'm just waiting for the right time. Yeah. One quote: you don't need to start right now. Okay. It takes a lot of time. Like, you need small things to grow bigger and get bigger. And yeah, my goal is to be a successful actor by 2030, I think. Yeah. This year is gonna be like 21 or something. But I wanna be successful actor at 2029 or 2030, whatever. And if you guys know how to like put me in a movie as a beginner actor without acting class, let me know. But if you really need acting classes, then yeah, if there's like a way of acting without acting classes, you can comment and tell me. But if there's not, I understand. But anyway, if you guys enjoy this vlog, I don't really know if it's a vlog or yeah, whatever. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. And it's been Rian, and I'm out.